Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back. Alright, so in today's video, I want to show you guys how to cut a perfect short sleeve or a three-quarter sleeve. So now the first thing to do is to fold your fabric. Now your fabric will be folded in a way that your round sleeve measurement will be divided by 2 plus extra 4 inches. So the round sleeve I have here is 16 by 2 is 8 inches. Then extra 4 is 12. So the round sleeve is the bicep, right? That muscle area for short sleeves. This is the guide in folding. So your round sleeve by 2 plus extra 4. So your folding must be at exact of that measurement. Whatever be your round sleeve measurement, it's what you will use to fold, right? If your round sleeve is 10 divided by 2, if it's 15 divided by 2, whatever you have. So I have to be 16 divided by 2 is 8 plus extra 4. So I folded in that form. I got 12. So this is how to get your folding. Then after which you have check your folding, you mark out your baselines. Then your baselines will be marked in this form. Then after that, you apply your sleeve length. So because we are making three-quarter sleeve, we are going to have a turn up at the sleeve. So we are going to deduct 2 inches or 2.5, depending on how wide you want to turn up to be. So whatever be your turn up inch is what you deduct. Then I chose to leave 2.5 inches. Then sleeve length is 16 plus extra 1 inch. The 1 inch comes for the joinings for the shoulder region and the turn up region, right? Half inch on both ends. So make it to be 1. So that after joining, your sleeve length will still remain the same 16 inches it was, not being too long or too short. Then after that, you have marked out your sleeve length, and then you are going to come in or come down by 4 inches or 4.5 for your inner arm. So this inner arm is a standard which you use for your all adult outfit. So before that, you're going to mark a round sleeve of the elbow of 14 inches by 2 is 7 plus 1 inch there. Then after which, you now come down by 4 or 4.5 in that point or that area, and then come down by 4 for your inner arm. Then join the line with a straight line in this form. Please note attentively what I'm doing. Then after which, you're going to divide the line by 4 equal panels. So you divide this line into 4 equal parts, get the midpoint, and also get the middle of the 2 halves. That's 4 equal points, right? Then after that, then you come up by from the first quarter 1 inch high. The middle line is what you leave on top. The last quarter is come down by 1 inch from there. Then first quarter is go up by 1. So once you go up by 1 on that first quarter, then connect from the edge of fold to the first 1 inch up, then to the middle, to the 1 inch down, and back to the 4.5 inch down. This is how you join the line and then draw in this form. So after this now, you now cut out the line. So this type of sleeve will help you to have a perfect fitting on your outfit without having shoulder rumples or whatsoever. Then cut out the line as well. Be in mind that you are going to also draft for you're also going to cut your turn up effect for the joining. So right, so I hope this video must have explained to you how to go all about the sleeve drafting, because I got so many questions on how to cut a perfect short sleeve or three-quarter sleeve. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.